In this video, we're going to go over who can see your Facebook profile and how users can see who views their profile. So it says right here in the Help Center, who views your profile. Facebook doesn't let people track who views their profile, and third-party apps also can't provide this functionality. So if you come across an app that claims to offer this ability, it is most likely a scam and it does not work because it is impossible to do so. Now, the most obvious way to tell if someone has viewed your Facebook profile is if they have commented or liked. If there's any sort of activity they have done your profile, maybe they accidentally liked one of your posts or photos, that is a huge indicator that they have been on your profile. But from what we can tell right here, there is no possible way to actually tell who tracks the views on users' profiles, unlike other platforms such as TikTok or Instagram.